Crude oil and net gas both traded bearish yesterday. Specifically, we have seen the support coming in for crude oil at around 68.4 levels. Yesterday, we discussed why 68.4, 68.6 should be a very good support, and on the upside, 69.2 should offer a good resistance. And we have seen oil respecting these levels and staying in a very narrow zone here. While when you look at natural gas, we have seen slight bearishness. We have seen a net gas sliding all the way towards 3.9495, the next support zone. So what to expect now from oil and gas? Can we expect this bearishness to continue? Can we expect oil to break below the critical support zone at 67.868, or the lows are done and we are waiting for a reversal? While the net gas, can it move towards 3.8? All of these answers we are going to see, or we are going to find all of these answers with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation and inspiration for me to deliver consistently. Do not miss to press the bell icon. Do not miss to press the like button, and do share it across as well. Let's start. First oil followed with gas. Wash. When you look at charts for the oil, you can find out, see, first of all, prices were trading with divergence from 20 period. We have seen 20 period offering a good resistance since then. What has happened? We have seen another round of dip and then the retracement. See, the movement right now is confined within a very narrow zone. Without showing any exceptional movement here, we have seen prices just consolidating. Now you can look at again after a bit of rise, it is consolidating. So now we have to wait for it to give you a breakout. Now 68.8, 69.2, this is the zone oil needs to come out of. Only and only if you see crude oil trading beyond 69.2, you can say now it is trying to reverse. Else what is happening? Drop, retracement, drop, consolidation. Now see, this is a slightly bearish channel with lower highs and lower lows, and now on the downside 68.2, 67.8 is the greater support zone. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD after double bottom is under retracement looking upwards. Despite prices not moving, or rather I will say trading bearish, see the MACD looking upwards. Contradictory movement it is. RSI coming out of the oversold zone as well. On the 2-hour charts, when you see the drop, the retracement, the drop, the consolidation. Now see, this is trading with a moderate bearish bias where we can see consistently lower highs, lower lows. Look at these two swing candle. Extreme swings were seen, but it is still very much traded in range. Now what is happening since then? The prices are stuck at median, so let it come out of this, which suggests, in fact, if you see it is staying below 68.4, you can take a selling entry, consider that as a breakout. We may see prices moving all the way towards 68, 67.8. Till the time I will say 67.8 is not taken today, we should not be treating oil as bearish. Stochastic comfortable. MACD crossed over at the bottom. Now it is trading with divergence, which is a slight bullish indication. RSI oversold definitely. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar on the 3-hour chart, see this swings here and hitting the lows, prices retrace. Now again looking down, and if you draw a pattern here, notice, see, the resistance is strong, then the dip, then the retracement, then there could be a dip, and this suggests that it might confine itself within the channel here. Now since the movement is getting diminished, we have to be careful, because see, the downside supports are pretty strong all the way towards 67.8. Stochastic is retracing here, while look at MACD hitting the bottom. It is on the verge of a crossover, not yet crossing over, and I can see it has breached below this support zone, which is not a good sign for the bulls here. But yes, this crossover may indicate a little reversal on the upside. RSI oversold, so things are getting oversold here for crude oil, but it is not showing any signs of reversal. And the observation is more or less same on the 4-hour charts. Look at the steps getting created, trying to take a dip here. In fact, you can sell at 68.5 and expect it to move all the way towards 68.2, 67.8, below which you can expect more bearishness. My consideration here is the 20 period, which is trading prices which are trading with divergence from the 20 period, which calls for it to converge, and thus 69.6 cannot be denied here. See, RSI retracing, MACD almost at bottom, not yet crossing over here. RSI oversold. Coming to on the daily charts, look at the formation, lower highs, lower lows, trading in this bearish channel here, where you can find the prices are consolidating in a bearish channel. Now this is almost at the bottom of it, And you can also notice this is happening after a good consolidation here at 67 levels. What has happened? We have seen a good rise and this is retraced. I think we have to wait for a reversal confirmation, because see, this is consolidated here, and once it breaks out we can see a rise, but right now it is not showing any such sign. When you look at the stock, I think this has also come to an oversold zone. The MACD right now looking downwards, which is not a good sign for the bulls here, and the RSI is looking downwards as well, which is also not a supportive sign. Now see, the new candle here on this chart is not yet started, and with the new candle, if you see price is moving all the way on the upside towards 69.2, you can buy. It might take it all the way towards 70 and in fact higher levels. So now, considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a sweat free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First thing is way to sell. You can sell here at 68.5 itself, but with the caution note till 68.2 and then 67.8. Again, I am highlighting why these levels are important. Remember, as long as 67.8 is not taken, the probability of a reversal will be very, very high, which suggests that your investment, your trading capital will be at risk as long as 67.8 is not taken, and thus you should be trailing your stop losses till then. On the upside now, the buying entry should be at 68.85, 68.9 zone, but then 69.1, 69.2 you should wait. If 69.1, 69.2 is taken, stay bullish. 69.5, 69.6 is the next target, and then we will look forward to a move towards 70. Beyond 70, it is a reversal. It appears we may see a range bound movement with modest bearishness. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Now, see, natural gas, yesterday I have mentioned that, see, it is trading in the channel here where we have seen lower highs, and we can expect lower lows. Lower lows means now the levels are below 3.8. But now what's happening? It is showing this consolidation here. So for the day now, it is very, very important for it to break below 3.94, which are one of my favorite levels, and those who follow me, I have been sharing these levels since long. That below 4 and 3.94 we can see a little more bearishness all the way towards 3.8, and till the time it respects 3.94 $4 zone, we have to be careful with the sales. Now yet again, this time 3.94 is coming to the rescue. See, the moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence and staying bearish. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD, after trading bearish, it is willing to converge, crossover. It is not yet crossed over, and this is possible that it can hit further lows. RSI is also trying to retrace. Coming to on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, it is showing a support, it is showing a reversal as well, but you should notice the moving averages are convergent and these are about to cross over. Only worry point is that it can show a move all the way towards 4.06 levels. 4.04, 4.06 should be an extremely strong resistance if it starts to show any up move. Stochastic is starting to rise. MACD right now is bearish. RSI almost trading flat and trying to retrace a little. On the 3 hour charts, when you you can find out a good support is created here at 3.9594. Now this is a very good support level, because below 3.94, again 3.9, 3.8, it should be seen as the first target, and then in fact we can see a move all the way towards 3.8. Notice that this is how it has been trading. It has hit the bottom, it can try to bounce back and can hit the highs here, but right now too early to conclude with that. In fact, when you see the price is trading beyond 4, that is the lower price above 4, you can buy, but then 4.02 025 should be the first resistance, and 4.0506 should be the next one. Yes, the stochastic is at bottom, but the MACD and RSI both have room for further dip. On the 4 hour, the observation on the 4 hour charts is same. See, the last time it has hit the 50 period, we have seen it retracing. Now again it has hit the 50 period, trying to bounce back. Now the 50 period is a very good support now, and thus I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 3.94. Stochastic is already oversold. The MACD is bearish. The RSI running flat, not yet indicating any confirmation or either bullishness or bearishness. Coming to daily charts. Now, on the daily charts, notice after this gap down, we have seen it retracing. Now we have seen the swings. Now today we also have the natural gas storage data, which might bring on or add on to the volatility. Notice prices are still having divergence from the 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 3.8. Now today's candle, you can see it has found the support here, and thus once it trades below 3.94 and 3.88, the direct lending in natural gas is going to be towards 3.8. What it is trying to do, it is trying to at best, even if it tries to retest, I think 4.0506 should be a greater resistance, and hitting those levels also, prices might again turn bearish here. If you look at the stock, I think this has dropped. The MACD is trading green. It is not yet crossed over. It is still in green. It is trying to converge here. And see, this crossover is coming from slightly higher levels, which calls for it to continue on the downside. RSI looking down as well. So considering this, first is where to buy. You can buy here at 4.05 levels. Expect 4.02025 as the first target, 4.0506 as the second. If these two levels are taken, this should be a reversal confirmation where we can expect 4.12, 4.16, 4.2 levels. Any breakout beyond 4.2 is a clear confirmation of bullishness in natural gas, which can take the prices higher and which can take the prices all the way towards 4.4, though appears difficult as of now. On the downside, now I will recommend a selling entry only at 3.94 levels. In fact, you can sell at 3.96, expect 3.94, which is going to remain a greater support. So this complete zone between 3.9694, you should be very careful with the sales. Once it trades below 3.9694, we can expect 3.9, 3.88 level, first target zone. And once it trades below 3.88, the chances will be high that we will see 3.8, 3.82 as the next targets. Below 3.8 is where greater bearishness to be seen, all the way towards 3.76, 3.6. Chances for which appears difficult, but this is natural gas. If it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. Thank